Hi everyone, today we're going to make a chocolate pudding. The ingredients we need 70 g flour, we need 45 g cocoa powder, and we need 65 g sugar. We need 1 spoon of baking powder, and we need a little bit oil, about 5 tablespoons of oil, and we need 200 milliliter milk and just a little pinch of salt. Let's put flour in the bowl, and we add chocolate. Add sugar. It's very nice pudding, very chocolatey to who like chocolate. Just little pinch of salt, not too much. 1 little spoon of baking powder. We mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly. And now we add the liquid, the oil, and the milk, and we mix all ingredients together. Try to mix it very quick. Very nice pudding and rich with chocolate. People like chocolate, they'll love it. And this one, we don't cook it in the oven, we cook it in the microwave. Just 2 minutes, it's quick pudding. If the person sitting in the living room watching boring TV and he fancy something sweet, this one is very nice and quick. Like you said, this is the mix. And we put it in a dish. Go to a microwave. I've got these mugs, so I'm going to put this in there. This ingredient make me 3 mugs, so if you got more people at home, you need to double the ingredient. take out all cups. and we get some chocolate, any chocolate you like. Just put it like that in the middle, and we put it for 2 minutes in microwave. Pudding is ready, like you see. And normally I'll serve it with vanilla ice cream, but I don't have any. I'll serve it with chocolate ice cream. Look how it is, very rich with chocolate. I hope you like it, and can you put some like for us and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much. See you next time.